Where are you going? Where are you going, Cookie? Is your Cookie? Where are you going, Cookies? Cookie. Come here. Come down here. Where are you going? Come here, Cookie. Come on. Come down. Be careful. Be careful. Come on. Come on, Cookies. Good girl. That's a good girl. She's such a good girl. Good girl, Cookie. Good girl. Good girl, Cookie. Want to go outside? Want to go outside? Come on. Come on. Over here. Want to go outside? Go outside, Cookie. Come here. Come here, Cookie. Go outside. Come on. Cookie, come here. Here, Cookie. Here, Cookie. Careful. Careful. No. Oh, you couldn't wait. You couldn't wait. Want to go outside? Want to go pee-pee outside? Fuego, where you going? Careful, Cookie. Careful. Where are you going? Go pee-pee. Go pee-pee, Cookie. Go pee-pee. Good girl. Good girl, pee-pee outside. Good girl. Good girl, Cookie. That's a good cookie. That's a good cookie. Cookie, Cookie. Good girl, Cookie. You ready to go inside? You ready to go inside, Cookie? Good girl. Good girl. Oh, nope. Not there. There you go. Good girl, Cookie. Grayson, come here. Good girl, Cookie. Good girl. Come on, Grayson. Let's go inside. Good girl, Cookie. Look at her. Uh-oh. Careful. Careful. Turn. Turn. Good girl, Cookie. Leave her alone. Kisses only. Cookie, where are you going? Going back to my office. Good girl. Good girl. You want a drink? Fuego, get out the way so she can drink. Fuego, get out the way. You're so greedy. You're so greedy. Couldn't you give her a chance to drink? Cookie, cookie, cookie. A cookie, cookie, cookie. You want a drink? Go, go. Go drink. Here, Cookie. Here, Cookie, Cookie. Now, go drink on the other side. Keep going. Okay, drink. There you go. Drink. Good girl. Good girl, Cookie. Good girl. You too, what are you doing? Can't you close the door? Who was the last one in? Fuego? Get inside. Get inside now. Fuego, I'm going to close the door. Fueg, goodbye. Fuego. See, he's going to come in when I close the door. Why do you do that? You see this? This is their invincible fence. They can't go but too far from the house because it will shock them on their neck. You see? Grayson has it on his neck. Hold on, Fuego. Leave me alone. See? They won't have it. If they go too far from the house, they get shocked. Did you guys have fun outside? Sun tanning? Huh? Hi, baby boy. Grayson. Say hi. Grayson, look at mommy. Come look at me. Say hi, everybody. Okay, Fuego will say hi. Fuego. Fuego, sing. Woo! Sing. Sing. Woo! Can't sing. We have to work on that. Okay, what's there? You smell something in there? Hey! You're too funny. Yes, you are.